Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I just wanted to update you guys on my position for the SPY. I did end up buying about $1,100 worth of calls for the S&P 500 hitting $400 within the next. My forecast is that it'll probably hit 400 bucks within this upcoming week, right? So I did buy these for next month. So I did buy these $400 calls expiring next month, just in case. Sorry, I bought the $400 calls. I bought 5 of them expiring next month, March 5th. And then I also bought some expiring this week just to play it out and see if my hypothesis is actually real, right? So the bottom ones are to be safe, and the top ones are actually the actual play where I think SPY is going to hit 400 this week. I'll drop the TA on that later today. Just kind of showing you guys why I think that we're going to hit 400 this upcoming week, right? But the gist of it is basically recently the SPY, did cross over on the MACD upwards. Usually when this happens on the day chart, it tends to rally for the next 1, 2, 3, 4-ish days. And the same thing happened the last time we rallied a certain amount, a certain percentage up, right? So I do think that it's doing the same thing. You guys know that I do base my plays off of previous history and kind of off percentage and like the average of certain things, right? So there's a lot of math that goes into it, but basically, to keep it simple, I think SPY is going to hit $400 this upcoming week, and I bought calls to basically play it. But I'll update you guys on the TA a little bit later today. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll see you later.